So guys, we need to enable fTPM in our BIOS. To go to our BIOS, you want to go to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. And now once you're on this, next to advanced startup, you want to click on restart now. And then click on restart now again. Wait for this to load, which will then take us into this screen. Now once we're here, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then UEFI firmware settings. And then click on restart. It's now going to take us into our BIOS. There's a chance that your BIOS may look something like this. If it does, you want to click on F2 on your keyboard, which will then make it look like this. Now we're all using different motherboards, but the steps are pretty much going to be the same. So now we need to enable AMD fTPM. On my motherboard, I need to go to the peripherals tab, and I have it right here, AMD CPU fTPM. So on your motherboard, you want to find AMD CPU fTPM. Once you find it, double click on it, and you want to enable it. I already have it enabled. Now once you enable that, you want to click on save and exit setup, and then click on yes. Go back into Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.